Good day. Something I just want to tell you about in Primavera P6 EPPM. When you open the software, it always open to the traditional view and portfolio dashboards. Even it shows filter by the dashboards you are looking for. And every time I have to go and confirm the portfolio to get the portfolio I want. Even it shows here, it is the portfolio I am choosing there. And this is one of the things, uh, maybe it's a bug or something. And something also I would like to show you is in these portfolios, while you have the graphs and the charts, you can show it also by table. So you will see the data you are presenting in the dashboard as a chart by table, which will confirm that everything is correct and it works fine. And I like this because you can just check the numbers before you go and know the other data is there. Similarly, everything there. So that's good, and I like it. Amazing. So if you are not using Primavera B6 EPPM to analyze your portfolio, I recommend you do it because it's really very useful and a lot of data is there. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any requirements for training for Primavera B6 EPPM or implementation or any consultancy regarding Primavera B6 EPPM, please contact us on info@zalbasireppm.com or the WhatsApp in our website. Thank you very much and wishing you a happy and successful New Year 2026.